Okay, in this video, we're gonna set up your ClickBank account. Ang dahilan bakit po gusto natin magka-ClickBank ay dahil sa pag-build natin ng list o ng subscribers, ay gusto natin na makip sila sa list natin ng mahabang panahon. No, so sino ba si ClickBank or ano ba ang ClickBank? No, ClickBank is one of the world's largest provider ng digital products. At nakapag-create na po ito ng more than 1,000 millionaires. No? This is in US dollars po, so that means $1 million times 44 pesos no, in our current exchange rate. That's 1,000 people na kumita na po ng at least 44 million pesos promoting only digital products. Okay, let me scroll down a little bit. You can see here there are 200 million customers worldwide and growing. No? You can see at the bottom here. May mga featured products po, no? From health and fitness, arts and entertainment, food, wine and cooking, home garden, best-selling authors. Marami pong klase ng digital products. These products are either videos or ebooks, or probably even podcast. So there are 6 million product creators with over 200 million happy customers worldwide, and we will be joining 300,000 digital marketers. So baka sabihin mo, ang dami na pala nagmamarket yan. But you know what? That's actually a good thing kasi ibig po sabihin, marami pong kumikita, no? Marami na pong nag-prove that this is working. Okay, so we're going to create an account for you. No? Just simply click create account, and we're gonna fill this up, no? Ito po kasi ang tanong, pagka nag-online marketing ka na, say, ngayon, no, we are selling or we are promoting digital products or probably even physical products, pero hindi naman po pwedeng same na lang ang pinopromote natin. Hindi pwedeng lagi na lamang ignition marketing or six-figure affiliate marketing. Marami ka dapat mai-offer, no, sa iyong subscriber or list. Kailangan natin makapagbigay ng tuloy-tuloy na halaga or value sa mga subscribers natin. It's all about giving value. The moment na feeling nila wala ng value mga offers mo, they will unsubscribe to your list. And you don't want that to happen, di po ba? Kaya po para tuloy-tuloy nilang buksan ang mga padala nating email, dapat alam nila na bawat email mo ay may halaga. At dapat mga ino-offer natin sa kanila ay tungkol sa interest nila. For example, kung nag-build ka ng list of subscribers na mahilig sa pets, specifically dogs, then send them mga related sa dogs like dog training, the best diet for this type of dog, no, how to teach them tricks, no. Yan po ang gagawin sa atin ng ClickBank. Ang ClickBank po ay stricto sa pagtanggap ng mga products na masasama sa product range nila. Kaya makakampante ka na kapag ang subscriber mo ay bumili na nirecommend mo na galing sa ClickBank, they will be satisfied. Kasi mataas ang value na nakuha nila for their money. And para naman sa atin na naging source ng information, of course, no, they will continue to trust us. No, that's what we want. We need them to trust us because they know when we endorse, promote, or share a product, these are quality products, and that's where ClickBank comes in, no? So, ClickBank will be able to provide us with that quality product. So, simple lang po yung process or formula. Pag tuloy-tuloy ka sa pag-offer ng high-value products, magigain mo ang trust nila, and they will continue opening up your emails. They will continue to subscribe to you for years to come. Okay, let's now sign up and register for your account. No, right here, no, siguro piliin na po natin yung English because that's the universal language. Lagay niyo po yung country natin, no. Saan tayo? Philippines. You can write Philippines. Put your name, no, and your last name, your address. It's important to indicate your proper information here kasi dito po nila ipadadala yung checks ninyo. Your phone number, your address, and then right below this, you're going to need to provide a nickname. What would you like to do is provide a nickname that is related to the kind of of niche or products you will be promoting. Kung nasa health ka, give your ClickBank account na may nickname na medyo related naman, no, not like out of this world na mga names that are difficult to even remember for you. Create a password, confirm your password, and of course, put your pay name here, yung kompleto nyo pong pangalan. Kailangan po dito, make sure na yung pay name is your formal or legal name, no? Kung makikita natin sa passport ninyo, driver's license, because the check will be named in this. So, kailangan po ipapasok nyo po yan sa bangko. And then, agree to all the terms and conditions. Enter the CAPTCHA or this code, and then submit account registration. These are all free to do po, no? So, do it right now, and welcome to ClickBank.